Hey guys, today we are making these delicious blueberry cupcakes. They start off with a soft and fluffy vanilla cupcake base with fresh blueberries folded in. Then we make a simple blueberry syrup on the stove and incorporate that into our frosting to create this luscious blueberry buttercream. These cupcakes are so good. They're simple to make. Of course, they are gluten-free, eggless, nut-free, and they can be vegan with a few tweaks. If you love blueberries, this is the perfect recipe for you. So come on, let's make them. We're going to take our blueberries, you can use fresh or frozen, granulated sugar, kosher salt, and we are going to mix them over medium heat and bring to a boil. Once boiling, we're going to lower the heat and let simmer for about 5 minutes. Next, we're going to carefully blend with an immersion blender or a regular blender, but be careful, it is very hot. Strain through a mesh colander or sieve and let cool. Now we're going to make the cupcakes. Take gluten-free flour and cornstarch and mix together to kind of create a cake flour. We're going to add our baking powder, baking soda, kosher salt, and we're going to mix to combine. Next, we're going to take our cornstarch and water and mix them together until they are thin and watery. It will be thick and tacky at first. Now we're going to take butter, granulated sugar, and we're going to mix them together until smooth and creamy, about 1 to 2 minutes. Add in the cornstarch water, some sour cream, pure vanilla extract, and vegetable oil. Now we're going to slowly add in our gluten-free flour mixture a little at a time, and then we're going to add in some milk. Next, we're going to toss our blueberries in a little bit of flour so that they do not fall to the bottom of our cupcakes, and we are going to gently mix them into the batter. Next, we're going to scoop our batter and fill our cupcakes in about 3/4 of the way full. We do not want them to go all the way to the top, otherwise they will spill over. And we're going to bake them. While they're baking, let's make the icing. We're going to take butter and beat it until it is smooth and creamy. Add in our confectioner's sugar. And now we are also going to add in our nice strained blueberry syrup. It should be nice and cool at this point. We're going to add in our water a little bit at a time. You may not need it all, so add it in slowly. And then we're going to beat until smooth and creamy. We're going to frost our cupcakes. You can use a piping bag like I am, or you can use an icing spatula or a butter knife. And finally, we're going to drizzle some of that remaining blueberry syrup on top of the cupcakes. They are so delicious, so good, and so simple to make. I hope you guys love them as much as we do. Enjoy. So good. Thanks so much for watching. You can find the complete recipe with step-by-step photos on the blog Lean and Gray Fare, which I have linked below. And for more decadent, gluten-free, nut-free, and egg-free recipes, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more recipe videos just like this one, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss a single recipe. Thanks so much.